Kitchen 101. Here's how to get every last bit of peanutty goodness from every jar. Take a sharp kitchen knife and cut the plastic jar in half. You get easier access to the peanut butter lodged inside. Or, better yet, create a batch of peanut butter overnight oatmeal. Just add some oatmeal to your near-empty jar, plus some milk, fruit, chia or flax seeds, nuts, protein powder, cinnamon, or whatever sounds good. Screw the cap on tight and throw it in the fridge. Overnight, the milk and oats will help pull the peanut butter off the walls of the jar and blend this creative concoction together. In the morning, just add a splash of milk or any other ingredient. Stir and enjoy your new jar of peanutty perfection. See you next time.